How unfortunate the weary, that cannot stand a single start in a world that never stops.
Yes? Hi.
Remember me?
Yeah, you're my microwave.
Yeah? How come you never use me?
I'd like to use you.
Really?
Yeah, for...
You know, you've been using toaster lots.
Uh-huh.
I kind of remember when you used to like pushing my buttons. Is
Yeah.
something you like doing?
Yeah, they're nice buttons.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perhaps you'd like to touch them?
Okay.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh God, yes.
Alright.
Hang on, press that other one. Okay.
Yeah, well, glad I could help.
You should put something in me again.
I don't have anything to put in your microwave. No, I can't do that.
One of the knives.
Uh-huh.
Penis. Sorry.
No, I might need that later. I'm not using it at the moment, but I might want to at some point.
Remember the last girl you had over here?
Yeah.
Small one?
Vaguely, yeah.
Did you take her into any place and put anything in anywhere?
That's none of your business, Mr. Microwave.
That's probably because you didn't.
Hey, you don't...
You didn't. I'm right here all day, every day. I have no arms and legs, and you're telling me that I don't know what I'm talking about, and that this home, our home, is none of my business.
Well, you have a job to do, and you should just do your
I
job.
can't do my job if you're not letting me do my job. So since you castrated me, you can castrate yourself and let me eat it.
Mr. Microwave, I'm thinking I'm gonna put some metal in you. Yeah, that's right.
What?
This is my house, and you're my appliance.
You will not put metal in me. I have been talking to the knives. We all agree that you're becoming quite insufferable.
Oh, I'm not that thing you said.
Insufferable. Can you say insufferable? It rhymes with metal in the face from a microwave who's really pissed off.
I don't like this at all. Why are you even talking?
I don't know. I'm just a microwave. You tell me.
Yeah, 'cause
Oh!
you should... This is just... You're a hallucination brought on too much pepperoni.
You mean extra sausage?
How'd you know about the sausage?
I always, when you do or don't put something inside it. Or haven't you been paying attention?
No, usually I don't think about it. I just,
Exactly. You don't think about it. You don't care about my feelings. You don't care about the knife's feelings. You don't care about your spatula's feelings. Not to mention that fat-ass microwave. You saw.
Mr. Microwave, are you okay? Is there anything I could do for you?
Pissed off.
Oh, well, I need all my appliances in working order, whether or not I hallucinate them talking. So, I just wondered if there was anything I could do for you. Mr. Microwave? Okay. No, I don't want to put my head in you.
You know what?
What?
I just can't talk to you right now.
Okay.
You go ahead, go to sleep, and sleep well, because I'm gonna have a talk with Teddy.
No, don't talk to Teddy.
I'm gonna talk to Teddy.
You don't know about Teddy.
I don't. I know he loves this place. I know where he's been. I know that Teddy is his boss. And when he hears about me, he'll give it to us. To me, he's not gonna be too happy. And maybe, just maybe, you'll wake up with a head of some sort in your bed. Or up your ass. I don't know. I'm not the creative one. That's the only.
Oh.
You leave.
Yeah.
Leave.
I think this is
Leave.
a good idea.
Asshole.